Hello, this is Corey Watson with another video. Today is an unboxing video, and today is my birthday. Today was a good day. I went to a food festival, I recorded it, and I went to a comic book store called Forbidden Planet again, and I went to the Lego store. Got me some Lego sets. So yeah, very nice. Very nice. Very awesome. This has been a good summer. I wish I could have gotten a job this summer, but there were some problems. But that's besides the point. Here I got some new figures to show you. They are in the Target bag, and we have this one. Alright? I got this one first. Alright? Then take this. These are the stuff I got from these places. So yeah, this is all the stuff I got from the Lego store and comic book store. The dinosaur I got from Best Buy yesterday. I think it's a Tyrannosaurus. It's basically the same genome. It's basically a part of the same family as a T-Rex. It looks exactly like the creature, but it has a different name. Slush, my assistant, what's up? Yeah, a lot of figures, man. Yeah, very nice. And more Lego sets. Very nice. Very nice, thank you. And two in the back are the Skylanders, of course. Okay. Yes, this is an unboxing video. So yes, these two right here are going to sell someday. And also eBay hasn't been working out lately, because I kind of messed up on something. Well, the listing, actually. So yeah, we're planning on doing another site. I just don't know the day yet. I need to consult with my partners, so yeah. But these two right here, I going to sell these away someday. So yes, this one is a Predacon from Transformers Kingdom. I watched the series on Netflix special. It only has 5 episodes. Vert break. I think $12. 14 steps of transformation. Transforms into a skeleton dinosaur robot. Yeah, she's very nice. She's from the first wave. And this green version is basically a repaint of her and has a different name. Dinoku or whatever. The same price as her at the comic book store. Same transformation, 14. Pretty much has the same accessories. The only difference is hers is its color scheme. The reason why I got this because I knew it's going to be like a rare figure, maybe not, because of the bright green color. Some collectors might get this, okay? Some of them like repaints. And this set I also giving away is Marvel's Lego Spider-Man. I mean, it's a small set. But the thing is, I'm not sure. Basically, I just got it to pretty much try to sell it. It's the same price as these two, $10. Really, for this small of a set, it should be like at least 5 or 6. In my honest opinion. So yeah, Spider-Man. Well, a little kid would like this, in my honest opinion. Yeah. So yeah, these two are going to salvage these. I'm gonna salvage these ones. And these are the ones I'm going to open. And also I got a book, Pokemon Adventures, Diamond and Pearl, Platinum. It has Dawn in this book, the character from the show, but they call her Lady in this manga comic book. I looked at these Pokemon comic books before. They're very nice. Not bad at all. But they have the black and white color scheme, same as